This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Lisa Sprague. Beautiful home on a secluded shy 2 acres within minutes of downtown Lynden. Open floor plan with vaulted ceilings and beautiful flooring by SHAW Wide Planked Barnwood throughout. Kitchen has black stainless appliances, granite countertops, wet bar, custom cabinets and drawers with full extension, easy to store your items. Large living room with gas fireplace. Master on the main with a luxurious master bath and private fenced patio. 3 large bedrooms upstairs with a full bath. Large yard with sprinkler system. Beautiful 32 by 48 heated shop with upstairs storage room. Please come and take a look. For more information, review the details below or contact Lisa Sprague at 360-961.